Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is EcoPower SNT2112 Cordless Snowblower. The new EcoPower Snowblower delivers the power and performance of gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. Featuring peak power technology, it combines the power of any two Ego 56 volts ARC lithium batteries for the power to clear heavy, wet snow with a throwing distance up to 40 feet. Built with a high-efficiency brushless motor and steel auger, the EcoPower Snowblower handles what the city snowplow leaves behind with ease, cutting through ice and snow 50% faster. Ego harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56 volts, 5.0 ARC lithium batteries to clear 8 of snow on a 12-car driveway. The EcoPower Plus Snowblower has the power to handle tough jobs fast without the noise, fuss and fumes of gas. Every tool in our platform delivers or exceeds the power of gas without the noise, fuss, or fumes. The 56 volts ARC lithium battery works with all EcoPower tools. Simply select your tool, click in battery and get to work. Universal battery compatibility gives you the convenience of using any size battery for any tool. Advanced battery technology delivers or exceeds the power of gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. Delivers the industry's fastest recharge times. Recharge your batteries in as little as 80 minutes with the included dual port charger. Rugged construction keeps your tool safe under more conditions. Our second best cordless snowblower is Works 40 volts cordless snowblower. The Works 20-inch 40 volt snow thrower simplifies a challenging task for those of us who get irritated when we have to blast up the driveway. It's lighter and easier to handle than standard gas blowers, yet it has the strength to clear a 20-inch wide trail of snow that's 10-inch deep with each pass and blow it 20 feet away. Its one-piece single-stage rotary auger is more reliable and lasts longer, while the brushless high-efficiency motor wastes less energy, extending the blower's life while enhancing performance. The chute rotates 180 degrees, and the chute deflector is simply adjustable, allowing you to blow snow wherever you want it. It includes long-lasting, brilliant LED headlights for operating after dark. The handle also collapsible for easy storage or transportation. The grip was also designed to be pleasant for extended periods of use. This kit includes two 20 volts 4.0 Ah batteries for a total of 40 volts of rechargeable power, as well as a 4 amp dual charger, so you'll be as prepared as you'll ever be for the next snowstorm. Third choice in our list is Snow Joe 18-inch cordless snowblower. This cordless electric snowblower from Snow Joe has 48 volts of power. The kit includes a battery and charger, and its two blades rotate quickly enough to consume more than 40 pounds of snow every minute. This model is significantly larger and more powerful than the Snow Joe SB18. Having two rechargeable 24-volt batteries, each with a runtime of 40 minutes, this blower can fling up to 14 tons of snow per charge. The rubber-tipped steel auger with 4 blades can carve a path 18 inches wide and 10 inches deep. The snow chute may be adjusted to throw snow up to 20 feet. A pair of LED lamps makes snow clearing safer and easier at night or in the morning. 4-blade rubber-tipped steel auger clears a path 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep in a single pass. 2 WLED headlight lights up the night for safer nighttime clearing. Adjustable chute crank rotates chute up to 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Ego Power SNT 2110 Snowblower. This Ego Power blower features a brushless motor, variable speed control, and LED headlights. According to one customer, the discharge chute is adjustable and easily throws snow, but it is also powerful enough to fling out any unintentional objects that are picked up, including a frozen water bottle. The 63.9-pound machine can plow through up to 8 inches of snow, making it an excellent alternative to shoveling snow by hand. The new Ego Power Snowblower delivers the power and performance of gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. Featuring peak power technology, it combines the power of any two Ego 56 volts ARC lithium batteries for the power to clear heavy, wet snow with a throwing distance up to 40 feet. Built with a high-efficiency brushless motor and steel auger, the Ego Power Snowblower handles what the city snowplow leaves behind with ease, cutting through ice and snow 50% faster. The Ego Power Snowblower has the power to handle tough jobs fast without the noise, fuss and fumes of gas. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best cordless snowblower list is PowerSmart Cordless Snowblower. The PowerSmart battery-powered snowblower is an excellent alternative for clearing snow from medium-sized driveways and sidewalks. This snowblower has a powerful engine that can fling snow up to 25 feet away and can handle snow up to 11 inches deep. It's also small and convenient to store. It has a rubber auger that slices through tough snow and diverts it away from the chute to keep it from clogging. It also keeps the snow flying in place. This battery is intended for excellent efficiency and smooth system operation. It can operate for up to 30 minutes without being charged. The directional chute can be adjusted to throw snow up to 25 feet.